Poe's notion of unity of effect and the raven as a successful illustration thereof. Unity of effect refers to the specific emotional or psychological impact that an artist intends for their audience to experience. The artist employs various creative techniques and elements to ensure that the audience responds to the intended mood or atmosphere in a coherent and powerful way. To achieve the unity of effect in the cask of Amontillado, the Raven, and Annabel Lee, Poe manipulates the element of setting to help elicit the mood in the audience. Indeed, the setting plays a pivotal role in the subgenre of Romantic literature, especially within the Gothic tradition. The Gothic setting serves as a tool for the author to manipulate the mood and emotions of the audience. Poe, for instance, often places his characters in isolated and desolate settings to amplify the sense of hopelessness experienced by his characters in his works. If you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.